At my house, I lost my first tooth. I played hockey with Dad. My dad knows. At my house, I feel safe. At my house, I bake a cake with my mom. I play drums. At my house, I like to sing. I love to dance. At my house, I'm a great magician. I'm a pirate. I like to lock my sister in her room. At my house, we are family.
Your home is not just a house. It's pirates, magicians, singing, dancing, baking, and this. Let us take care of your mortgage so you can plan the greatest moments of your life. Call your Dominion Lending Center's Mortgage Excellent agent today for your mortgage needs.